Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about how I stayed positive in difficult times as a nurse. Being a nurse is rewarding, but most times it comes with difficult days. There are moments of exhaustion, pressure and emotional stress. So today I would like to share what helps me stay positive and what keeps me going. Number one is I remembered my purpose. I reminded myself why I chose this nursing, and also I had that mentality that every nurse is someone's loved one, so how you treat them matters. So if your loved one is treated that way, will you feel okay regardless of how annoying they can be? I always keep that in mind. Number two is I don't carry everything home. I learned to separate my personal life from work. So after a difficult shift, I give myself time to relax, to refresh, and also to reset. There is what is called endorsement or handover. Once I hand over my patient, I drop it there. Getting worried about what happens to the patient next and everything that work comes with, I drop it at the hospital before coming back home, because I'm a human being. I need to be cared for. I have other things that is bothering me, so I drop everything at work. During the following shift, I take it back and then work continues. So once I remove my uniform, I'm taking off anything work related, and then I'm putting on my houseware, which is my personal life and needs that I have to think about. So number three is I depend on God. Some days are beyond my strength, so I pray and ask God for wisdom, patience and strength to continue, because this our profession is not for the weak. Like, a lot of things are happening. It can be so draining. You might forget yourself, you might lose it, you might worn out, you might break down. So I hand everything to God, and God is the source of my strength. Number four is I celebrate small wins. If you know me as a person, you will know that I'm a very joyful person. Like, I appreciate things and I celebrate every little things, even to the least I celebrate, down to patient smile. Like, it's always a big deal for me when I see my patient smiling, or even knowing I helped someone through a difficult moment is enough motivation for me. So every tiniest win I celebrate, and that is what keeps me going. Number five is I keep growing. I remind myself that every challenge is teaching me something and making me a better person, regardless of what life brings to me, how negative, how positive it can be. I learn from everything and it helps me to grow. So to every nurse who is tired but keeps showing up, I want you to know that you are making a difference. So take care of yourself too, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. Finally, you can do all things. Don't look at your size, don't look at where you are, don't look at the challenges you're facing today. Beat your chest and say, I can do all things. So if you've watched this video to this level and you've not clicked on the subscribe button, please do that now. Share it to a nurse that wants to hear this, and don't forget to drop your comments, drop your questions about relocation, about anything at all about nursing that you would love me to make video on. Then I'll make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching.